So here guys is their temple. Oh, thank you Lord God for this one and for the opportunity for waking up alive in the morning, and thank you for sa mga kamaot ug batasan guys nga nagkaunong jud ni sa mga maot mig batasan. Thank you. This one is kailangan mo maghugas dira guys, pero ba sinibayad ama nito pe when you wash? No, you need.
Ama sisi, inong sisi.
Oh, and then here guys,
Yeah.
ma
Okay.
to grab. This one guys is you have to write to God, you have to write your wishes for heaven, and then you have to tell that thank you Lord God. And this area guys is their hohowang with God for their prayer. This is a small temple here in Osaka. So we have our different beliefs and religions. So magrespetohay na lang ta guys. Kaya walang kabaluon sa ilang dagan sa ilang history. Yapos sa kabistuwa. So here is this area guys is the main entrance for their temple. Grabe pagka-temple for the temple. Oh, and since everybody is taking the pictures, so mag-take na lang kita. Kuha na siya guys, naku kayo siya na anang baba sa ilahang dragon siguro guys, dragon or lion dance nila. And then this one is for the temple. And here but dili mo pwede mo sulod dito guys, dira ra mo taman si gawas, so dira ra taman ang prayer, mag-light of candle.
Yang wasi betan je ya.
Ano siya, tapos nami mga kuan guys, nag-wear sila kimono para sila pictorials. Kaya mag-wish sila 2026. Okay. Wish sila sa Rosella 2026 guys.
Sorry.
Mga ilahang sa original nila na tradition nila sa lang dress. Asam ko itong mga kauban guys, nawala naman. Kita pwede mo wala, kaya pag mawala ka wala tayo kwarto. sila dito. So here, I want to show you only their prayer one. Their prayer one become a photo bookmark. So different races just take picture and for their what guys for their ritual. So more Indonesian traditions. 오, 디노젓. 디노젓 موجود siya. Hintay lang storya. They said go there. I wait here only. So I want to show you only the environment, guys. The writing, don't read already. We cannot understand the writing. Basta sa prayer ni Sio. Of course, na ame nagbantay na lion. Og lion pa rin. Hindi ka magbalit og incense. So, para imahong dugutan, guys. So, pati silang dito yung mga storya. Thank you, Lord God. So sorry for being naughty. So sorry for being stubborn in life. And then, gusto ka mabuhi og dugay. Tapos maot kag batasan. So, unsay gusto nimo? Gusto ka mahimong immortal? Ikaw na lang isa sa kalibutan. So, mo lang siguro siya, guys. For that simple, so, nakamiss lang na yung mga taong nagsuot o lahi nga sa nila. Ganun nga yung nag-water.